Welcome to the next video on VAP. In the last video, we discussed in brief about the Sustainable Development Goals. In this video, we are going to discuss about triple bottom line, that is the conceptual framework for sustainability. You can see in the figure that triple bottom line is consisting of three things, that is social, economic and environment. So we are going to start discussing the conceptual framework for sustainability. It is also called or denoted as TBL or 3BL, the triple bottom line. Basically, it is an accounting framework with three parts: social, economic and environment. And business writer John Elkington claims to have coined the phrase TBL, that is the triple bottom line, in the year 1994. So TBL has been coined by John Elkington. It expands the traditional reporting framework to take into account social and environmental performance. So what exactly traditional business accounting was? So in common use, the bottom line refers either the profit or loss. So bottom lines in traditional business accounting refers to either profit or loss, which is usually recorded at the very bottom line on a statement of revenue and expenses. So the bottom line refers to either profit or loss and recorded at the very bottom line on a statement of revenue and expenses. So the three components, that is social, economic and environmental, are interrelated and interdependent. So these three components, that is societal, environmental and economic, are interrelated as well as interdependent. Now consider the circle representing the social component or economic component and environment component. If we consider the intersection of basic two components, then we are going to have other options available. So consider environment and economic component. The environment together with the economic components provide viable options. Now consider the economic and social components. These together provide equitable options, that is for all creatures. The options are equitable if we combine social and economic component, while social and environment together provide the bearable options. So these two provide bearable options. Now consider the region where all these three meet or have their existence, and this area or this region is referred as sustainability. So the area where all these three components, that is social, economic and environment, meet is referred to as sustainability. Now we are going to discuss about the application or the things that is related with this triple bottom line. Why the need for triple bottom line approach in the technical education? If you see the basic philosophy of sustainable development, it revolves around the reorganization of threatened and fragile environment. So basically, if we talk about sustainable development philosophy, so it revolves around what? A threatened and fragile environment, and we have to reorganize it. So today the planet Earth faces the risk of irreversible damage to the human environment, for which the population growth, there are many problems. The most important problems are the population growth, the technological growth, or rising living standards. So basically when we are talking about the changes, irreversible changes, so the problems are population growth, technological growth and the rising living standards, and many more are responsible. So what are the things represented in this diagram? 3 P's: profit, people and planet. The profit, the economic bottom line, what it represents? It deals with the economic value created by the organization on after deducting the cost of all inputs. That is, we have to deduct all the cost of all inputs, including the cost of capital tied up. Next one is people, that is the social equity bottom line. So what exactly this means? It pertains to fair and beneficial business practices towards labor and the community and region in which a corporation conducts its business. So what are these things? Labor, the community and the region in which it conducts the business. Next one is what? The planet. And before going to discuss planet, a TBL company conceives a reciprocal social structure in which the well-being of corporate, labor and other stakeholders, that is all stakeholders' interests, are interdependent. So this structure has been conceived. Now coming on to the next P, that is the planet, the environmental bottom line, or we can call it a natural capital bottom line also, and it refers to the sustainable environmental practices. So the planet, that is the environmental bottom line, refers to the sustainable environmental practices. A TBL company endeavors to benefit the natural order as much as possible, or at the least do no harm and minimize environmental impact. So at least do no harm or minimize environmental impact. So this concept is needed to be percolated down to the bottommost level in organizations for sustainable development. And in technical education, this is more important, as the engineers or technocrats, they create, innovate and propose material, product and system. By integrating this concept, we can achieve all these 3 P's, that is profit, people and planet. So these things can be covered, and you can refer these to